Hey folks, welcome to Beyond Our Future, where we discuss space, rockets, exploration missions, and everything in between. In today's video, we'll learn about the crazy cheap yet triumphant mission on Mars by India. So, let's begin. India launched a Mars mission in 2013. Its first interplanetary project, Mangalyaan, officially the Mars Orbiter Mission, or MOM, launched a probe carrying 5 instruments to examine the red planet's material composition and potential indicators of the previous life. ISRO specializes in resource management. The organization claims to have the world's cheapest space mission solutions. They range from the small satellite launch vehicle to space-saving satellites like the Microsat, which weighs roughly 100 kilos and can attach as a co-payload to any space mission. So, despite having limited cargo, Mangalyaan will address some of the most pressing issues on Mars. The satellite is equipped with one huge rocket engine and 8 tiny thrusters. The big engine had been used successfully in over 24 missions since 1992, giving the team confidence that it would work flawlessly this time. Plan A called for the employment of 2 parallel circuits to start the larger rocket motor. In case the main engine failed to burn properly, the ISRO team devised a backup plan in which they would use the 8 minor engines to slow down the satellite. Following the release of MOM, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that it cost less than Alfonso Cuarón's 2013 film Gravity. The American Maven orbiter costs nearly 10 times as much. Also, Mangalyaan was built in 15 months, but NASA took 5 years to finish Maven. In fact, beginning with physicist Vikram Sarabhai and aerospace engineer Satish Dhawan, in the 1960s and 1970s, Indian scientists pioneering a national space program practiced frugal efficiency. Domestic components and technologies were also prioritized over costly foreign imports. However, India has taken care to keep things simple. Given that Mars is around 670 million kilometers from Earth, the cost of travel is approximately Rs 6.7 per kilometer, less than taxi charges in India. Prior to India, the initial attempts to enter Mars orbit by the United States and Russia had failed. China has also attempted, but failed. The first Chinese mission to Mars, Yingyo, and the Russian Phobos Grunt mission, with which it was launched, both failed in 2011. An orbiter launched by Japan in 1998 also ran out of fuel and crashed. It was able to photograph the entire disk of Mars as well as the far side of Deimos. According to the findings of the interplanetary expedition, dust storms on Mars can reach heights of 100 kilometers. The capacity of India's MOM probe to perform maneuvers without wasting fuel, survive a communication blackout for a month between June and July 2015, and avoid a collision with the comet sighting Spring was its most notable achievement. A 2014 cartoon in the New York Times depicts a turbaned guy leading a cow banging on the entrance of a building labeled Elite Space Club. The paper apologized after it was widely denounced as racist. 3 years later, after India launched a record-breaking 104 satellites on a single craft, the Times of India ran a cartoon depicting India inside the club while other countries sought admission. Some of India's key space objectives are expected to take flight in the next decade. The Department of Space has received an 11% budget increase for 2019 through 2020, and ISRO plans to fly its first crewed mission, Gaganyaan, before 2024. In India's second mission to the moon, Chandrayaan-2 set a course for the undiscovered lunar South Pole. Despite these accomplishments, Mangalyaan and India's space programs were heavily criticized. Many people believe that space exploration is a toy best left to wealthier industrial countries and that it has no benefit for underdeveloped countries. According to the reasoning, the money would be better spent on healthcare and improved sanitation. However, what this viewpoint sometimes ignores is that investment in science and technology increases skills and capacity, as well as develops the types of individuals who benefit the economy and society as a whole. Space exploration is also a source of profit. Some of what we do up there pays for things down here. The developed world is aware of this, which is one of the reasons why they invest substantially in space activity. Consider the United Kingdom alone. It's significantly boosted its space investment in recent years. Satellites have even been designated by the government as one of the 8 big technologies that can assist in rebalancing and propelling the UK economy ahead. India wants in on the action as well. And with Mangalan and other satellite and rocket programs, the country is establishing a strong position in the worldwide markets for space products and services. So, this was it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed our content. Like and share the video if you did. Subscribe to Beyond Our Future for many more amazing videos. Stay tuned, as we'll be back soon with another informative video for your amusement. Till then, keep exploring.